In today's video, I'm going to teach you what are report formulas in Salesforce. Report formulas help you answer questions that raw columns can't by letting you calculate new values directly inside a report. There are two powerful types you'll use most: summary formulas, which roll up values across rows or groupings, and row-level formulas, which compute a result for each individual record. With these, you don't have to export to spreadsheets to do math. Salesforce does it right in the report. Start by signing in to your Salesforce account, then open the app launcher. In the search bar, type Reports and click the Reports app. For this walkthrough, open any report you already have. You could also start a brand new report if that suits your use case. Once the report is on screen, click Edit to open the report builder so we can add formulas. To add a summary formula, open the Column Options menu in the builder and choose Add Summary Formula. This creates a calculated field that works on summarized data. Think of totals, averages, maximums and minimums, or even percentages based on groups like owner, stage, or close date. Give the formula a clear name. Write the expression using the fields available, and pick the output type, such as number, currency, or percent. You can also control decimal places and choose where the value appears, for example at the grand total only or at each group level. If your report is grouped, you'll instantly see the calculation broken down by each group. If it's not grouped, you'll still get a grand total. Use summary formulas when the question you're answering is how much in total, or what's the average per group. They shine in dashboards, presentations, and executive roll-ups. Next, let's create a row-level formula. Open the column options again and select Add Row-Level Formula. This adds a new column that calculates a value for every record shown in the report. Typical examples include multiplying fields, comparing dates to find durations, or building conditional results based on criteria. Name the formula, build the expression from your row fields, and set the data type and formatting. Row-level formulas are perfect when the insight depends on each record, like days open for a case or expected revenue based on probability. As you type, use the helper to insert fields and functions, and watch the preview panel to validate that results look right. A few quick tips. Keep names descriptive, so teammates understand them. Keep expressions simple and readable, and use grouping to make summary formulas more insightful. With both summary and row-level formulas in your toolkit, your reports move from static lists to dynamic insights you can act on. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.